To invite attendees to your meeting or webinar, go to your account panel and create an event. If you have already created one, go to Actions menu. Then click Invite and choose Attendees. There are several ways to invite them to your event. Add email addresses manually, typing them or using copy and paste. Remember to separate them with commas. Or use the search box to find specific contacts that are already in your address book. To invite a specific predefined contact group, go to My Groups and click Add Group by its name on the list. To learn how to import your contact list and organize them into groups, watch our tutorial on managing contacts. You'll find the link in the description below. Please note that in the same way you can invite attendees from past sessions, you can also copy your event's details to Clipboard, so you can paste them into your custom email messages, messenger apps, etc. When you're done, click I've finished adding contacts. Check if the right participants are included in the invitation summary, and then choose an invitation email template. Choose either of the two layouts. Click Invite, and your invitations are on the way. Your attendees will receive an invitation email with a link to join, a date and time, and any additional info required like password or token. To see who has received your invitations, hover over Actions next to your event. Choose Details from the drop-down menu, and open the Invitations tab. You'll see a list of people invited via ClickMeeting. You can monitor who has already confirmed their attendance or resend an invitation email if needed. Have a great event!